The progress of times has never stopped, and the GYA factory is in a period of rapid change. A new round of scientific and technological revolution is changing rapidly, and a bright future is coming to us. Welcome to GYA Factory, where innovation and efficiency combine. We provide our customers with versatile end-to-end copper cabling solutions. The copper offering compromise shielded and unshielded LAN cables, patch cords, and accessories. As an industry-leading enterprise, GYA is committed to producing high-quality products. Our mission is to provide customers with the most competitive solutions. We constantly pursue technological innovation and rely on our excellent R&D team and advanced technical equipment to promote industry development and meet market demand. We have advanced production equipment and efficient work processes, from raw material processing to finished product shipment. Every link is strictly controlled to ensure reliable quality. We are committed to providing first-class professional enthusiasm and reliable service. We provide service and technical support focused on materializing concepts into solutions for each brand. We believe that unity and innovation are the cornerstones of our success. In the future, we will continue to lead the development of the industry and create more value for customers.